Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make some easy PayPal money fast, and it's going to be done on your phone. So this is going to be an app that you can have on your phone, and I'm going to get started right now, okay? So today I'm going to show you this phone app called Gift Panda, and it's found at giftpanda.mobi, M-O-B-I. This is basically an app for the Android phones, and this is where you could use several ways for you to earn on this app, to earn some PayPal money very fast, because you're going to get to collect rewards. Basically, you're going to collect coins doing different activities in the app to collect the coins, and then once you have enough coins, you could then convert it to PayPal cash or any of these other gift cards that they have offered, or prepaid credit cards. And let's see, so how it works is that you're going to download and register. So download Gift Panda for iOS or Android and sign up. So it says for iOS, but then I don't see the iTunes button here. So those who have the iOS phones could try to find it in the Apple Store. 2, you collect coins. So you're going to have different ways to earn coins. And actually, watching videos, I don't think is one of them. So I don't think this is updated. So just beware of that. Then once you collect enough coins, then you can redeem it for the gift cards or cash. And this 4th point is going to be the biggest money maker of everything in this app. Basically, it's where you can invite your friends and family to also use the app. So what you can do is you can earn 10% of your referrals earning, and it's actually 2-tiered. And if your friends also refer, then you could earn 5% off of their referrals. So that is pretty cool. And then your referrals will get also 500 bonus coins if they sign up with your link. Okay, so if I go over to the Google Play Store, this is where they're at, and this app is rated pretty good. It's over 4 stars with 3,400 people reviewing them. There's been over 100,000 installs, and it's pretty much updated. So I'm just going to go through the different ways that you can earn on here. So the first one, so this is just to show you how you can earn points, the coins. So they use coins, not points. I keep saying points, but it's really coins. That's the currency on the app, and then you can then redeem it for PayPal money or the other gift cards. So the first task that you can do is complete different surveys and share your opinions. So you could just do that. I'm sure you gotta complete your survey profile here and make sure you complete everything, or else you won't get the surveys that are appropriate for you. Okay, now the next thing you can do is look at their offer wall and install and check out new apps. Okay, so offer wall is usually making you try new things. Okay, so like all these different mobile expression. This is for Android. You can earn 2,400 coins for downloading this app and using it. Vikings War of the Clans, that's 12,000 coins that you can get. For Starbucks, that's 150, and so forth. Okay, so if you try other apps out and download them, you can earn coins that way as well. And then you can also earn by getting cash back for your shopping. So if you do a lot of online shopping and they have the stores that you shop at, this is a perfect way to get some money back. I highly encourage that. I do use cashback apps. And then there's also ways in the app to just get coupons, okay? And you can share it with your friends and family, whatever you find that other people can use the coupons for, you can share it with other people. So for the offer wall, they also have this different way to earn on the offer wall. It looks like these are games. These are games that you can play on the app, and you get 35 coins for each of these that you try. And then there's something called Play for Cash, and you get paid per minute over here. So just by playing games like Castle Clash, So you can earn up to 110 coins for this one, for example. Okay. So those are the different ways that you can earn for this app. I mean, this app is rated pretty well. Over 4 is 4.4, I believe. Yeah, 4.4. And they've already paid out over $1 million to their members. See, there's nothing about watching videos here, and that's why I think on their website they just haven't updated it when they say that you can watch videos here. I don't think it's true. But this is like any other app, guys, that you see to make money online. It's not going to be the best way to use to make money online. In fact, this is definitely not something that I do online to make money. What I do online is actually something a little bit more involved. Involved meaning you gotta learn some online skills, guys. Okay, if you want to make big money online, you really gotta learn some online skills that is required for you to earn consistently online. Okay, to learn big money online, you really need to know how to use a business model that is for the internet, guys. Okay, and in the video description below, in the first link, I'm going to show you the program that I've been using to generate my online income consistently without trading time for money, meaning that I can earn any time of the day and I can still work at my own schedule whenever I want to work, but I can earn 24/7. Okay, that's something that I've been building since I've been online using this business model in 2016. And I don't even need my own product, guys. So it's not that complicated, but you do need some skills, some online skills to make this work, okay? So if you're interested in making some real money online, check out the first link in the video description and I will give you all the information that you need, okay? So thanks for coming to this video. I hope you liked this Gift Panda app. Maybe you'll try it, maybe you won't. I have no idea, but this is definitely a way for you to make money online. So that's why I wanted to show it to you. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video as I will make even more if you like this one. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. Also, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Alright guys, I have videos coming out every single week, so I hope you keep learning with me. And I hope I see you on the next video, okay? See you later. Bye.